okay, baby. It's okay. It's all right. Are you stuck? This is our baby. Yes.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
The other babies.
Oh my God.
Good job.
That's so good.
My God.
You won't believe what I just heard. She was crying. She was calling me.
Come here. Come here. God, it's a baby. You can do it.
Why are you recording me?
The puppy's in there.
No way.
You guys want the blueberry? Gotta come and get it. Great job, guys. Whoa.
I missed you. I missed you. Look at you. You all happy? We missed you. Aw, poor thing. Aw, he did. Okay, we gotta get him out. We're gonna help you. Bye, little guy. Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh my gosh. Hi. Come on. Okay, good. Come on. He's dragging his legs.
Come on. Hello, lovers. Come on. Good girl. Hi, lovers.
The other babies.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, baby. Oh my god. That scared me. Oh my god.
You're just so cute and tiny. Hi, little chicken little.
Come on, buddy. Oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, cuties.
Ready? Big wings! Oh my god. Look at this tiny baby. Hi, my love. Oh my god.
Bye, little guy.
Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh, she had one of the babies. Look how cute it is.
Oh my god, I don't know what the hell this is, but I almost ran it over. It's a baby hummingbird. Hi, little fella. Oh, you okay? Oh my god. Now you can give it a flower or something.
Is that it? You love it? Oh.
Come here.
He was caught in a spider web.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh.
This little baby right here. Oh my god, hold Remy. Hold Remy. You got her? Oh my god. Oh my god, little, come here. Oh my god, James. Come on.
I found an egg. Maybe we should put it in the incubator. It's a little tiny egg. It must have fell out of that tree. So I'm putting it in. I don't know if it's gonna hatch.
Bye, little guy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, hi!
Oh my god.
Come here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Baby, you okay?
Aw, poor thing.
Oh my gosh. Now look what I see.
Hi. We miss you. Look at you. You all happy? Where have you been? Oh, you're so happy. Where have you been?
Oh.
So I rescued a kookaburra. Won't get out and he's flying, but he can dance.